What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to unbox and review this Boean Smart Watch. At the time of recording this video, you can buy this smartwatch on Amazon for $49.99 with $15 off coupon. Before I want to start, I need to let you know that this watch was sent to me to unbox and review. This watch is compatible with iPhone and with Android devices. You just have to download VeriFit app, where you can find in a Google Play or App Store. And right here you can see some of the functions: cloud watch face, 1.69-inch color display, blood oxygen monitor, 5 ATM waterproof, 14 sports modes, and long battery life. So let's open up and let's see what's inside the box. Operation manual here. Looks like in Chinese and in English. And then this is actual watch. And right here, this is the charger. So as you can see right here, this is basically just going to clip out on the side or at the bottom. And that's it. There's not much to it. This is going to clip on in the back right here. As you can see, it's magnetized. You have to put certain way, and that's it. So this is heart rate sensor. And then right here, this is actually physical knob that you can use, and you can also press on it. Let's peel it off and let's start. Okay, as you can see on the startup, shows you that it's charging because I just plugged in, and it shows you that it's 12 a.m., which is going to have to set up time. So now it's telling us to download VeriFit app on your phone from the Google Play Store or Apple Store, and then we're going to have to scan this QR code. So I'm going to do this really quick. As you can see, I found it in the Google Play Store and I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to open it up. And then I have to press on allow here. And right here, I'm going to press on start to use it. And then we need to agree. Then we need to press yes here. And then make sure location service is enabled on your device. And make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning are on. And then in here, we need to select our gender, date of birth, height and weight. So that way it's going to calculate properly and it's going to monitor our daily activities. And then press next. So right here, we can create an account or we can do it later. I'm going to set up to do it later. And we have to make sure we press on I have read and agree user agreement, and then allow VeriFit to access your contact. You can allow or deny it. Allow VeriFit to make phone and manage calls. I'm going to allow it. Phone logs also allow it. Once we set up app, now we need to press on add device and then press on yes right here. And to add device, we need to charge the device and we need to put it next to our phone. Then yes, use location, then we're going to go back here. It's going to search for device, found the ID, press on it, and now it's pairing. Okay, and right here we need to tap on little green check mark. That's it. Now we just need to turn on the notification and it's complete. And right here it says start your health and fitness journey, and you can adjust notify messages. If you receive any messages, they'll be notified. Color alerts, music control and preference. You can just press yes, and that's it. And now you can see right here, right now it's Saturday, 10:51. Then there's a couple things we can do. We can scroll to the side and then we can see how many steps we got so far today, how much we burned, how much time. And then this is our heart monitor. Outdoor run, we can press on more, and then back to the time clock. Then if we press on here, there's health data, exercise record, health, heart rate, blood oxygen. Then there's street, breath training, sleep, weather, music, stopwatch, alarm, timer. You can find your phone, and then there's settings. And that's it. That's what's on here. And then if we go back to the app, right here, you can view all the data. Then it's going to show you your entire data. Same thing what I just showed you on a smartwatch. You can just pull it up on your phone. At the moment, I don't really have any data because I just power on this watch. Then you can view health trends here. You can set up achievements here, and you can add family members. Then there's exercise tab. You can set up, and then it will track your GPS location, how much you've been walking or cycling or running, hiking, indoor running, indoor walking, and then device. So right here, different watch faces. You can press on more. They have all different kinds here. Then notification management, alarm clock, call alert, health tracking, and then there's more settings. And then you can adjust and change, modify other things here in settings. And then if you press on mine, this is basically going to be your information here. And you can check for updates and about everything's here. And then if you go back here, if you press on this edit button, then right here, you're going to be able to add such as weight. And I guess for females, you can add period tracking and then distance, or at the same time, you can uncheck them so they're not going to be on your home page. And then once you're done, you press on complete. And this is pretty much it. For less than $50, you can buy full-blown smartwatch, and everything else. You can use this for fitness and not worry about spending $100 on a smartwatch. And this is pretty much it. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for the smartwatch if you would like to buy it. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.